Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Bobby K. I'm in the back office now of Pure Passive Income Funnel. Okay, guys, I want to show you how the website works. I've been working on this for the last 2 months, and I just started really promoting it, I guess, about a week ago, maybe a little more. And let me walk you through it now. I'm in the Press One Cash page. Okay, now this is like a full presentation. You can send somebody right to this website if you don't want to send them to the Press One Cash website. You're going to get actually more information from this. And then you can show them the resources that we have and all that. Okay, if you look right here, you press this, it explains the whole compensation plan. It explains how the whole thing does. It's like a one-page walkthrough. If you want to join, you just press here to join. It takes you right to the sign-up page. And if you're already a member, you just put your username right here and press save. So when you show this to someone, they'll be signing up under you. You can actually, your picture will be here too. Okay, it won't be my beautiful picture, but your picture will be there instead. So it's almost like you made the website. There's no way for them to really know that you didn't actually even make the website, you know? And you just change your picture up here where it says edit profile. So this is the page. This is the sign up page. It shows you everything. Now I have a right here which says press for more resources. Let me show you what that looks like. This is in here now. Besides the the bonuses and stuff like that, I made a bunch of stuff for my team. Okay, if you see here, this is the campaign number. This is 3 capture pages with done for you email follow-ups. Okay, professionally written email follow-ups for Press One Cash. Okay, when I say professionally written, that means I wrote them, in case you were wondering. All right, guys. So, but you're free. You can edit them. They're good the way they are, believe me. But you can edit them or do whatever you want to them. Leave them the way they are. They're already set up with your links in them. The capture pages will have your link, and the emails will have your link in them already. Okay, I made this rebrandable page. This is good. Let's say you have a list already, or you have people that signed up. You want to send, maybe someone signed up and didn't join. You want to send them more information. You can send them this page, and they can sign up right through this page under you. Okay, it has the videos and explain it. It's another page that walks you right through who needs this, who'll buy this great product from you, mortgage brokers, real estate agents. It's just another sales page, guys, but it's a nice sales page. And like I said, you can embed your link in it. And the way you do that is very simple. You just copy this link here, and you change the username at the back. You put it in like a notepad, or I do it right in the browser sometimes. And you just put your username and refresh it. Then this link where they sign up, there's only 2 links on the page to sign up. It's right here and this banner. If you click this banner, it takes you to the sign up page too. And those both will be linked to you. Okay, guys, that's a pretty handy page, right? So that's yours for free, guys. Okay, I found this MP3 voice recorder online. You don't have to leave the same message that's there, guys. That's the beauty of this Press One Cash. You can use it for anything, I mean, right now I still have it left the way it is when I first got it. I've only joined about a week ago, but I just haven't decided yet if I want to change it or not. But if you do, here's an MP3 recorder that you could record your own message and just load it up onto the site. Okay, it's very easy to do on the site. I saw where to do it. These are some banners I made, guys. Now, these aren't fancy banners, but they don't have to be fancy, guys. One thing about a banner, man, it doesn't have to be flashy or blinky. That's all baloney. As long as it solves a problem that people have, people are going to click on it, man. All right? When you see 2-cent leads for life, that's one of the main problems everybody's has online is traffic, guys. So people are going to click this banner. Don't you worry about that. I like this one, 2-cent leads. And I like both of these. I like the $200 payment ones too, but I like the 2-cent lead ones a little better. This one I might get rid of. I don't like that one. Didn't come out that good. All right, these are some drop cards, guys. I've been using drop cards for a few years, and I love drop cards, guys. I got to be honest, man. And this Press One Cash is tailor-made for using drop cards because the phone number is right on it. I put a link here. I actually took the link off the page where I ordered the card, and it actually worked. It brings you right to the page. So I can show you my card, what it looks like. Easy 200 per day from your smartphone, free recorded message. That's the cards I ordered. I didn't receive them yet, but I should be getting them any day now, guys. And then that folds in half, and it looks like a real $100 bill on the other side. So anyway, this is just the company that I use. Okay, you don't have to use it if you don't like drop cards. By all means, don't use it. Okay, and this is like a walkthrough of the back office in case you don't understand how it works. Okay, you see here, this is where this is your website they give you. This is the phone number they give you. This is where you change the website if you want to send the number to someplace else. This is your payment processes. Okay, that's what I like about this program. You can get paid any way you want too. All right, guys. So that's the back office. These are the resources I have here now. It's pretty much everything you need. And if you guys think of anything else that we could use, we're a team, so you let me know if there's something I'm missing out of here. And, I think this is going to be nice. I like Press One Cash, guys. I'm liking this business. I made a few sales already. And, the point is that once you have it, once it's paid, you have it for the rest of your life. You could put that phone number on your capture pages, on a business card, and on the bottom of your emails. I have like a little note on the bottom of my emails. I forget what they call it. I guess a footer message. I have the phone number in there. And it's just good, man. It's just a great marketing tool, man. It's just a great cost-effective marketing tool. But anyway, guys, I'll make, as I add more stuff and make more improvements, I'll let you guys know. All right? So thanks, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Oh, don't forget to join the Facebook group, guys. I got capture pages, a whole bunch of stuff in there already. Okay, in the file section. So make sure you join the Facebook group. The link is on the home page here of this website. This website's free, by the way, guys. So don't be afraid to come in here and check it out. Rip it apart. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one.